What's inside the new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo? Let's unbox it. Here we've got the compact carrying case with all of the combo accessories inside, and of course the revamped Osmo Pocket 3 with all of its new and improved features. This combo also includes the new wireless Mic 2 transmitter, which boasts an impressive 6-hour battery life, 8GB of internal storage, and a 10-meter audio transmission range. It has an intelligent noise reduction feature, ensuring crystal clear audio for activities like vlogging and live streaming, and it's worth noting that you can connect up to 2 transmitters to the Pocket 3 simultaneously. Other accessories include a 1/4 inch thread handle, a mini tripod, and a battery handle for extending operating time by 62%. And it doesn't stop there, with also a wrist strap included, a wide-angle lens for capturing 108 degrees FOV, and a protective cover for your gimbal. With all these essential accessories, this combo equips you with everything you need to unlock your creative potential.